This video series offers instruction on different types of meditation techniques. This is video 8 of 24, Candle Flame Meditation. Chautaka is a yoga practice where one sits with their eyes open and allows their gaze to settle on one point. And this can be a small object, an image, or it can be a small dot, sometimes the small dot of the Sri Yantra symbol, or it can be a candle flame. And by sitting and focusing our attention in this way, we're able to develop concentration. The ancient yogis recognized intuitively the relationship between the eyes and the pineal gland in the brain. The pineal gland is responsible for producing and regulating hormones around the body. So the practice of focusing our attention on a single point helps to purify the body and to purify the mind. The purpose of this meditation technique in comparison to other techniques is the same. The end result is the same. The only difference is, in this technique, we're not required to close our eyes. Well, not in the beginning anyway. And for some people, they like this. When practicing this technique with a candle, it's best to position the candle almost 2 meters away from yourself. And the flame should be burning in and around eye level. A little higher or a little lower is okay, but in and around eye level. And as can be expected when you stay looking at something with your eyes open for an extended period, several minutes or so, your eyes are likely to water up. And when this happens, it's best to close your eyes and give them the rest they need. And at this point, you can simply focus your attention on the internalized after image of the candle flame that's been represented in your mind. And just stay attentive to it. And you may notice after a time that this begins to fade, and you can reopen your eyes and look once again at the candle flame in front of you. And then once your eyes become tired, close your eyes and focus on the internalized after image. And you can continue in this way 3 or 4 times, or whatever it might be, until such point that your body becomes settled and your mind becomes calm. This is our objective. The objective when you're using this technique is to overcome all physical restlessness and quieten the mental movements in the mind so that you can internalize your attention and go deep within.